that time kasi I was really depressed. So, I was about to not end my life, pero nandun na yung thoughts, ganun. Kasi nung bata ako, feeling ko talaga, I'm so gay, ganyan, very flamboyant ako, very ako. Pero dahil hindi nga tanggap ng society at parang, syempre, yung father ko hindi pa tanggap din nung una. So, yung lola ko rin, hindi rin niya magets yung mga ganong eksena. So, parang, ikaw, nare-restrict yung pakiramdam mo na gusto mong i-out. Parang ganon. Pag sa labas, sobrang highly energetic ko, ganyan. And then, pagbalik ko ng bahay, parang pagod na pagod ako. Tapos minsan, it will last mga 2 to 3 days, ganyan. I just want to be like a voice din sa mga someone, especially sa mga LGBTQ community, na express lang nila yung sarili nila. Kung malungkot sila, lahat naman kami, pag LGBT, part ka ng LGBT, ang image agad namin, parang comedy kami, parang kami yung source of happiness. Tanggap naman namin na yun. Pero, marami rin kami pinagdadaanan, di ba? Etong name na to, which is yung Krebu, na-born to nung during the retreat eh. Parang there's one exercise there na aalamin mo yung true essence mo simula nung pagkabata ka. Sino ka ba talaga na nung bata ka, eto ka, at hanggang pagtanda mo, yun ka naman talaga. It's just that nawala lang siya dahil sa pressure ng society or ito yung dinikta sa'yo ng outer world. Ganon. Came up the idea that I am creative. So parang someone also, if you know Pepe Herrera, he said, I think you are creator of something. Sobrang vivid nung scenario sa akin eh. And then biglang sabi na ni Livni, you are creator of beautiful things. And then parang lahat, yeah, parang kinlame ko na yon. Kaya that's why I'm creator of beautiful things. And then someone also suggested to me that they want the name of my podcast or my name now is Krebu. So, Krebu stands for Creator of Beautiful Things. Welcome to Krebu. This is a space for conversation about creating beautiful things, whether that's events, ideas, growth, or moments that matter. I'm Jerome, and this is the beginning.